to show everybody that rock and roll music hasn't changed too much in the last 172 years. Me and the boys in this kicking band, I said this kicking band, we're gonna do a couple of songs we hope you like, we hope you recognize. We're not King Don, we're not even gonna change chords, all right, Don? All right, let's see. I walked 27 miles of black wire. I got a golden snake for necktie. I got a brand new house on the rural side, and it's made out of rattlesnake hide. I said, who do you love? I said, who do you love? Baby said, got me a woman. But baby said, you can't be true. I said, come on, little baby, because if you love her now, tell me, who do you love? Tell me now, who do you love? Oh, who do you love, yeah? Bo Diddley said, how does it feel? Your daddy gonna buy you a great big wheel. If that great big wheel won't turn, daddy gonna get you a mockingbird. Tell me how you heard about the bird. A bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. A bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word, all right. Papa hoo my mouth, Papa hoo my mouth, yeah. Papa hoo my mouth, Papa hoo my mouth. All right. Clap your hands. Clap your hands to the music now. Hey, hey. I want to thank you all for letting me get up here and have a good time with you tonight. God bless Buddy Holly, and long live rock and roll music. God bless America. Thank you. One more. Hey, hey. Enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you so much.